sånt ska ut till Tellerva.
This is very beautiful. Today on 19th of July 2023, this is Johanneksentie, Johannesvinken to Stekiksi here. Ulanina rikosvuori Helsinki, Uusimman Finland. And this residential building dates back to 1911. And the elevators were added in 1930, but unfortunately they didn't build an elevator in the Stekiksi A. And there are 6 floors here. This is stage 1, 3, 3, 4, going to be inspected this year, 2023. And according to the information we found, this should be from the year 1930, so it's a bit more rare.
Yeah.
Yeah. The serial number is wrong on the outside.
Yeah.
It deserves 2 rights.
Yeah.
Luckily I found the code here. Oh, the capacity is 3 persons of 205 grams. Yeah. I love the sound to this one.
Yeah, same.
And the top button is a bit different, but the rest is like white.
Yeah. Just titta på liftinstitutet, men jag tittar på Espoon hissi. Yeah. Here it says the correct serial number.
Alright. Perfect. Yeah, so they said it is from 1930
Yeah.
to 90 years old in 2020. Let's continue. Thanks. Well, that metal plate should have been in Swedish, it's very ripped off, unfortunately.
Yeah. Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase 3.
Yeah. If there is a staircase there, but yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
If it has.
Okay, that's the